Hello, welcome to PDJ Vibro. Today we're looking at a refurbished EVP-RA 800. That's 800 litres of usable volume. So that's usable to the underside of the screen or the unload area here, not to the lip of the machine as it's sometimes measured. It has got the ramp assist unload on there, side load as well, so you can put your parts in from the side if you wish as you're loading the machine. And it's got a rise in the chamber meeting the unload flap, which lifts as necessary with the pneumatic ram. Got long separation screen, super important on these machines, really long separation screen. Easy change as well, got a patented system on there, that works super well. It's in rather good condition. We've done a nice job on this one, full strip down as usual. So if you're interested in an 800 litre circular bowl with parts unload, with the rise in the chamber, so you can split smaller pieces if necessary, ideal for doing flat pieces, but we'll do larger pieces also, then do give us a call. It's in stock, we'd love to help.